Everyone, I hope that you had a great spring break and that you're having a lovely April so far, staying healthy and happy. This week, we're going to be talking and thinking and reading about political parties and interest groups. We're first going to discuss political parties in this video, and then in the next lecture video, we'll talk a little bit about interest groups. So first of all, what is a political party? What is this thing that we're discussing? So a political party is a group of citizens united by political ideology and seeking control of government in order to promote their ideas and policies. So a political party is a way that people can act collectively to make demands and press the government for policies and programs that they want to see implemented. And when you register to vote, you also have the option of registering with a political party. So there's a lot of really interesting functions and features of political parties in the US. The second term that is important to know about when we think about political parties is partisanship. So partisanship is loyalty to a political cause or party. There's another term under here that you'll see, hyperpartisanship. Hyperpartisanship is a commitment to party so strong that it can transcend other communities. So for example, if you are very passionate about the political party that you belong to, sometimes someone and some people can just become so passionate about the political party that they're affiliated with that it becomes more important than other aspects of their identity or other aspects of their community. So maybe your political party affiliation becomes more important than your relationship with friends or family. Maybe it becomes more important than your religion or spirituality. Maybe it becomes more important than your identity, your professional identity. So if you are someone who's very excited by and passionate about one specific political party, whether that's, the Democratic Party, the Republican Party, the Libertarian Party, whatever party it is, then you might be considered a hyper-partisan or someone who is very interested in making sure that their partisanship is a big part of their life and identity. Now, party base describes the members of a political party who consistently vote for that party's candidates. So all political parties need a base of voters who will sort of be predictably voting for that political party. Like you can rely on those voters to vote for the Democratic Party, the Republican Party, the Green Party, the Libertarian Party, whatever. Party identification describes voter affiliation with a political party. So this is just the way that someone identifies or registers with a political party in an official way. So if you say, I identify as a Democrat, or I identify as a Republican, or whatever your party affiliation is, then that's a way of verbally expressing your party identification. The next term that's important to know when we think about political parties is the party platform. So the party platform is a list of policy positions that a party endorses and pledges its elected officials to enact. Partisan sorting is the process through which citizens align themselves ideologically with one of the two major political parties leaving fewer citizens remaining in the center and increasing party polarization. So we're going to talk a little bit more in depth and in more detail about partisan sorting or partisan sorting, I'm sorry, not shorting, partisan sorting in a few minutes. But before we jump into that, I wanted to draw your attention to some examples of party platforms. So these examples and these links are also in your Canvas module for this lesson. But if you're curious about actually seeing what a party platform looks like, I've included links to the Democratic Party platform, Republican Party platform, the Green Party, and the Libertarian Party platform. And really, the party platform just lists that political party's goals and objectives, their policy ideas, their political values, and it gives you a sense, if you're a voter or you're someone doing research about that political party, gives you a sense of what that party stands for and what that party wants to accomplish in government. So in the next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about partisan sorting and the reason why we have two major political parties in the US. So if you've ever wondered, why is it that there's really just the Democratic Party and the Republican Party winning all of the major elections? Why aren't there more third parties? Well, we're gonna find the answer to that question in the next video.